Hey guys, today I am making a sweet called groundnut toffee. So let's get started. First, I took a non-stick dish and added 50 grams of sugar and 50 milliliters of water. And I mixed it until it started boiling. Now it has started boiling, but I continuously mix it until it is the right consistency. To find out if it is the right consistency, I pick up the spoon and touch it with my finger and see if one string stands. Now I add 50 grams of powdered peanuts gradually. I continuously mix it and break all the lumps that are formed. Now I add a teaspoon of powdered cardamom and 2 tablespoons of ghee. After I mix all the ingredients, I take a plate and add ghee all around it and pour my mixture into that plate. After pouring the mixture into the plate, I let it set for 2 hours. After it is set, I cut it into small squares and take a piece and make it into tiny cubes like these. Now your groundnut toffee is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.